What up? What's cracking? We're back with another video. What we're doing today is basically trying to put the lights right there. Those two different ones, and 4 sides. Yeah. So I'm gonna set you guys up. I might need this shit. I might need it, or it might not. We'll see right now.
Look, leave shit.
Forget. This is the lights. They're supposed to be different if I'm not wrong. Two longer than the other ones, because the longer ones are for the back side. But yeah, and we're gonna see if I need some fucking screws.
A few moments later.
This is gonna take a while. Fuck. Okay. We gotta check that. Okay, we advanced already though. I'm doing that one. I don't want to take the wheel off, but I think I'm gonna have to though. But at the same time, I don't want to take it because it's not because I'm lazy to do it. I know I can do it, but the problem is that fucker keeps coming down, and I don't want that shit to fucking fall. I don't got a new one though. That's a fucking problem. But I think I can do it just like that. Pay attention to this shit. Goes down. Watch. You guys saw how that shit went down already?
I'm gonna come.
See, this bitch finally out. Finally.
You serious?
Two 2,000 years later.
We're gonna continue. ¿Ah? ¿Le estoy poniendo una luz nada más? Sí. No, esta, las de las orillas. Los eye markers. ¿Ah?
Oh, estos van a los lados nomás.
Sí. Le estoy poniendo una nueva.
Poco a poquito, ¿no?
Sí.
¿Qué me llanta la noche?
That's funny. What he said. He was saying like to leave it like new, so we can go. Well, actually, he just said to burn tires at night. Fuck, it's fucking hot too, though. God damn.
A few moments later.
you ask why the fuck I'm doing this shit, as I told you before, it's to lose it up. So when I put it right there, it doesn't take me that long. Because it could take me more, because I'm forcing it to go in. But that's how the other one is too, so that's why I'm doing it. Because I saw a video yesterday, and a guy was saying like, you gotta go buy some new screws. I'm like, I don't think so, buddy. Right now that I'm watching it, yesterday I was like, hopefully not. But right now that's why I was like, no, I don't think I need to. Because the other one, it comes like that too. You gotta force it to go in.
Wait a minute.
We go back in a little more than what you were. So go back again. More you go back in.
Just hit the dump.
Fucking bitch, dude. It's just fucking tight. Just how I like it.
Wait a minute.
Okay, now we're gonna try it. These tools are done. That one. And that one. Okay, y'all motherfuckers wanna see this shit? This shit looks sick though. What do y'all motherfuckers think? This shit came out nice. I'm not gonna lie, I love it. It's beautiful.
We don't care.
And now I'm gonna do some shit in the inside though. Does that shit look good right there? Okay. We gotta start with this.
Stupid.
I know how to take it off. This thing, I took it off a while ago before. It's up to you if you're gonna take it off all the way, I think. Or at least I'm not putting it. I mean, I'm not taking it off all the way. Fuck no. You guys heard that? That's not good. My tool fell, and I had to take everything off after. Y'all see. Well, the camera stopped recording because it's fucking hot outside. I'm not gonna lie, and then the car is off. But I'm done. Like, I finished finally. Like 80 hours later. Okay, I'm done. I got that. Let me do this. You guys ready? Y'all motherfuckers ready though?
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Look at this shit. And guess what? I didn't take the wheel off. Because somebody said you gotta take the wheel off. I didn't take it off. It took me more time though. But we're done. That's all that matters. We're finally fucking done, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I got tired of it. It's been, what time is it? Let me turn off the lights. Right there. Time right now 2:47. So basically 4 hours.
Stupid.
It took me 4 hours to do that plate and the 4 lights. 4 fucking hours. It's been the longest fucking time I ever fucking spent in the car, bro. I swear to God. It actually has. Without turning that motherfucker on. That shit crazy.
I don't think you have the facilities for that, big man.
Peace, motherfuckers.